Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fixin Two. And in today's video, we're going to be working on the F350's cooling system, as we noticed that there was rusty water coming out of the radiator. So we went through the cooling system, flushing it out with water, trying to get all the rust out. So we replaced the old water pump with a new one. And while we have the fan and the belt off, we're going to be replacing the alternator too, because it's not charging. Welcome to Fixin Two. So this is what the inside of the old water pump looks like. It's all rusty and gross and partially corroded. So we just went ahead and bought a new one, because why not? Gonna give it one more flush before we put everything back together, just to make sure that none of the rust settles anywhere. Alright, so now we're gonna put the new one in. This might be hard.
Alright, I already see a problem. We'll probably need to preload that preload that on there before we go too far. So. Well, he did warn me to move my hand, but as I say, it's not a project unless you bleed on it. On to the next. All right, round two. Get the bolts.
Go positive, just like the pump. No, you're O negative. Wait, are you O positive or O negative? You're O something.
O positive. Okay, here, lean it over.
My bolts don't look like they're gonna fit.
Take them off of there so they should fit. Just needs to come up probably.
Alright guys, round three. Alright, next step. Torquing the, oh wait, no, you already did that.
No, I stopped on that one bolt. I gotta finish.
Okay. I shall start working on taking the fan off the old one. Taking the fan and the
Yeah, we gotta take all of the
brackets for the alternator off the old one.
Yeah, I figured it'd be easier to put all the accessories on the water pump when we got it installed. So then it's gonna take the fan off of the other one and the bracketry that holds on holds the alternator and all that. Seeing the error of our ways, we should have preloaded the fan first. Been a little bit easier.
I still don't know what he means by preload. Just kidding.
Put the fan on first before you put
Just kidding. No, that would have made things harder. Trust me.
I'm gonna find the bolt that I dropped.
Trust me that I have experience that I don't, really. Can't wait till Harrison gets back tomorrow. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, Harrison's coming back tomorrow. We went on a mission trip with our church to Panama, and he gets back.
It's not the beach.
Panama, the
Country.
Spanish country. Why did I had to make sure that? Never mind. Shout out to our Brazilian subscribers.
Yeah, so are they from Brazil? We've got 2 subscribers.
I don't want to offend him or her.
No, well, that's why you ask. We've got a couple of subscribers that always like our videos and comment in Spanish. We have to translate it. So comment again below where you're from. What Spanish-speaking country? What South America, I assume.
I think he's from Brazil.
That you're from.
I'm like 80% sure he's
From Brazil? Yeah. I think they may have said greetings from or whatever.
Yeah,
from whatever
yeah.
country. I forgot. So let us know again. We know you'll comment. We look forward to your comments.
You're the highlight of the
We're
comment
always
section.
good for Ted Conroy's comments too. You just push it down.
And old geezer.
Yeah, we haven't heard from old geezer in a while. Hope he's doing good. For those of us who were shouting at us through the computer that we're morons, we got to put the pulley back on. So we're gonna do that now. Idiot.
I'm too smart, guys. I just am.
He thinks he's doing something.
I'm too smart.
He's invented the wheel. He just invented how to spin it.
Alright. We're not idiots anymore. Finally got the pulley system on. Well,
partially idiots.
Alright, so now we gotta get the bracketry off the old one, put on the new one, and we should be all set, in theory.
So this is where I should have.
You have to unscrew it again. Please tell me not to unscrew it again.
Okay, well, I might have to, because I think I should have put this on first.
Oh my lord.
Round 5.
Alright, so now we gotta take that fitting off and put it in the new one. And that'll be it for the
Water pump.
Huh?
Water pump.
Yep. Alright guys, so we're probably going to end up continuing this tomorrow because we're tired and want to get clean.
And by we're tired, Bennett's tired.
Mm-hmm.
What do we get done?
We got the, I almost said fuel pump. We got the water pump in, we got the fan and the belt on, and we're not idiots anymore because we don't have to take anything off.
The bracketry for the alternator.
Yep, in the bracketry. Hopefully, maybe Harrison will help us with some stuff tomorrow, if he feels up to it. But we'll see. Anyways, morning. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for today's video. We finally got the water pump, alternator, and fan installed on the dually. It is now one step closer to being on the road in many, many years. Stay tuned for our next video. We're probably going to be working on the floor panels for the... Floor panels? You mean floor pans? Resume. This thing, but until then, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for today's video. We finally got the water pan, I'm done.